With an abundance of the fast make money online methods that there are on YouTube, I'm sure there's plenty of you out there that have spent lots of money on Facebook ads to promote a random clickbank product, or maybe even built up a Shopify store for a gimmicky trending product. Let me not front, when I was made redundant during the pandemic and I got into making money online, I did the exact same thing. And while I did see success with these methods, the problem was that the money wasn't very consistent. See, even though I'm fairly new to the game, after 3 years of trying multiple different business models, I finally come to the conclusion that there's 4 key phases to building any successful online business. If you pay attention, all of your favorite YouTubers and entrepreneurs out there are using the exact same steps. So essentially, all you have to do is copy it. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down each of the 4 phases so you fully understand it, and also I'm going to be showing you ways that you can actually implement it into your own business. That's whether you have one already or whether you're thinking about actually starting one. Now, before we get into it, let me quickly introduce myself for those of you who are new here. Hi and welcome, my name is Glowithgia. I make videos on freelancing, affiliate marketing, and earning a passive income online. Now, if that's something you'd be interested in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into the first phase. So the first of the 4 key elements is actually picking your niche. Now, a niche is essentially just a topic or a genre that you're going to be going into. Me, for example, I'm in the make money online niche. So that consists of like freelancing, affiliate marketing, just any way that you can make money. Picking your niche is important because ideally you want it to be something that you're going to stick with in the long term. It should be a topic or a hobby that you can still see yourself being into in the next 5 to 10 years. I always stress the fact that your niche should be something that you're genuinely passionate about or have an interest in. The reason being is that over time you're going to feel burnt out, demotivated, and just overall unfulfilled if you're in a niche that doesn't keep your fire burning. That's why there's so many people out there that give up on side hustles before they even get to see any kind of profits, because it's not interesting to them. So over time they don't really care, they start to put in less effort, they feel more and more demotivated, like I said. So before you go off and promote these random diet products on ClickBank knowing damn well that you do not care about health and fitness, take some time to consider what you actually enjoy doing or what you're passionate about. Understand that your main aim is to become an expert or a specialist in a certain topic. That's where the real profit lies, because people are willing to spend a whole bunch of money on knowledge. There's this beautiful Japanese concept called ikigai. I hope I'm saying it correctly, but I'm gonna have it spelled on the screen just in case. This directly translates to your reason for being. So essentially your purpose in life. As you can see from the diagram, it's pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, this is more or less the formula that I use to pick out my niche. So if you did want the blank template, I'm gonna have it down in the description so you can just kind of go back in and fill in the blanks. Moving into the second key phase, which is actually picking your main product. For this part, you obviously want to find the main product or service that you're going to be promoting. So say you're a freelancer, for example, your main service would most likely be the most expensive one on your profile. If you're a dropshipper, for example, you'd want to have like the main product on your homepage, a main product that you're actually promoting through Facebook ads directly. Even as an affiliate marketer, there's so many products in any one niche that even though you could be promoting 3 or 4, you should always have a main one. To find your winning product or service, you'll ideally want something that ticks off 3 or more of the following questions. Is it in high demand? Are there enough people out there that would want this product or service? Can you help solve your potential customers' pain points? Would it make their lives easier or better? Is this something that would appeal to someone who has a particular interest or hobby? Is this a quick trend, or is there longevity in your product or service? Remember that trends die, so you should never base your business off one. And finally, does it have a good profit margin? See, since I'm in the make money online niche, my main product is an affiliate marketing course. This is a course that I took at the start of my entrepreneurship journey. So apart from the fact that I 100% believe in this product and can vouch for it, it also ticks all of the above boxes. Now let's get into the third key phase of building a successful online business, which is actually building an audience. Building an audience in your niche is something that you have to do in order to increase your brand awareness and also to build up social proof. It allows you to easily and quickly get across to people that would be interested in whatever it is that you're promoting. So instead of you having to constantly spend money on running ads to get your product in front of people, those people are already there waiting to be promoted to. All you have to do is create content and publish it. It's that simple. This could be done through blogging, creating YouTube videos, posting on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. You have the option of showing your face. Maybe you might not be too comfortable with showing your face on the internet. That's absolutely fine. Just keep in mind though that people tend to connect with brands that have a face behind the business that they're quite used to. So if you're concerned about family or friends like seeing your videos on the internet and stuff, just remember that these people don't pay your bills, okay? Whatever platform you decide to grow an audience on, just remember to post relevant content consistently. The key word being consistently. You want to be able to keep your audience engaged over long periods of time. If you can post relevant content consistently, I absolutely guarantee you that you're going to have a solid fan base within 6 months. See, me, I personally didn't understand the importance of growing an audience until I started selling products online. For months during the pandemic, obviously I had a bit too much time, so I decided to start growing 3 Instagram accounts in different niches. Those 3 pages are currently sitting around 10, 30 and 60,000 followers. Keep in mind that this was all done for fun. I didn't really have an aim or a goal for these Instagram accounts, but then I started getting hundreds of DMs with promo requests and stuff like that, and in total I'd say within my first year of growing my Instagram accounts, I'd made at least $2,500 from literally just posting pictures or videos that people had sent me onto my Instagram and putting a link in my bio. Eventually I started promoting my own affiliate links on all of those Instagram accounts, so they are still bringing me reoccurring income to this day. This really made me understand the power of building that connection and trust with an audience to a point where they actually consider your recommendation. And this is exactly why I wanted to mention why it's so important to only promote products that you can actually vouch for or believe in. Your audience's trust is very precious, so you going off and promoting a low quality product can and will ruin your credibility. And another part that I really want to mention that is super duper important when it comes to building an audience is actually capturing their details. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, whatever it is that you use, if your accounts get banned or deleted, all of your hard work goes down the drain. That's why it's so important to build up an email list. I'll be dropping an in-depth email marketing tutorial very soon, so don't worry about that. We're gonna get into it. Moving into the 4th step though, which is scaling your business. Now this is something I really want you to take in, because this is what's gonna take you to the next level and really give you financial freedom. Whenever you start any kind of side hustle or any kind of business, you always want to plan 10 steps ahead. You really need to think about what your business will look like in the next 10 to 20 years. Think about it. At some point you do want to put everything on autopilot so you can kind of just go off and enjoy life without having to be so hands-on with everything. Say for example you're drop shipping, I don't know, cosmetic products. At some point you might consider opening your very own skincare range and having it in like a store like Sephora, or if you're from the UK, Boots or something like that. Maybe you're an affiliate marketer. At some point you might want to build up your very own course so you can have your own affiliates running traffic to your product. A great example is one of my side hustles slash businesses, which is freelancing on Fiverr. As much as I love it and enjoy working with new people, it does take up a lot of my time and energy, therefore it's not passive. And since my goal is to build up as many passive streams of income as possible, my plan for the future is to actually build up a drop servicing store so that I can get a whole bunch of other skilled freelancers, give them a platform, and I take a cut out of it. This takes the pressure off me. It gives other freelancers the opportunity to actually get a consistent amount of money coming in, and obviously it makes me a nice cut out of it because all I have to do is use my platform to get the clients to the freelancers. So overall it's a win-win for everyone. All I'm saying is have that end goal for your business and look into the steps from now for what it's going to take to set yourself up to be in that position. The difference between your business doing 6 figures and 7 figures is how well you've planned it. Building a business isn't light work, I'm going to be very honest with you, but it's 100% worth it. And obviously, as they say, if it was easy, everyone would do it. But yeah, just as a little side note before I end this video, I just wanted to mention that I'm not crapping on the fast make money online methods. I think they are a great way to make money, and I know a lot of you are still interested in them, so don't worry. I'm still going to be showing you some of the faster methods that I actually approve of. This video was literally just to remind you to think long term with any side hustle that you decide to take on. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I definitely hope I've given you something to think about today. That's all from me, and I will catch you in the next one.